Hey guys, in this video I am going to code for the problem that we have discussed in our previous video. But first there was a small mistake in the previous video, which was that if the length is odd and we have to do transition for the odd length, then here will come +1 because this length was also added. So now let's code for this problem. Okay, so now let's take the input. Let's see the input. So we have n and array. Okay, so we have n and array. Now we will just take the input. Okay, so now we will create our prefix array, and in that array pre of 0 will be 0, and for long I equals to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, pre of I will be equal to pre of I minus 1 or a of I. Okay, so we have created our prefix array here. And now we need to do dp transitions, so we will create a dp array which will be like this, and here 0 means number of sub arrays ending at index I with zor equals to 0 and length equals to e1. Okay, and 1 means length equals to odd. Okay, so we have created our dp array. Now let's just initialize our dp of 1 of 0 to 0 and dp of 1 of 1 to 0. Okay, now we will also need an index array. Okay, so I am just which will give me the most recent index of a certain zor, and its length will be, let's just update n as 120 plus 2. Okay, so its length will be n, and let's just make the default values in index array as 0. Okay, so we have created our index array. Now we will just traverse our prefix sum array. So for ll equals to I equals to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Now let's create a answer equals to 0. Now if pre of I equals to 0, then what happens, our answer will be plus, and we will store the index of this array, of this prefix sum in our index array. So end of pre of I equals to I. Okay, now as our default value was 0 in our index array, so if end of pre of I is not equals to 0, then what happens? Now we will see the index of our previous zor sum, which was equal to this index, so that was equal to end of pre of I. Okay, so now if I minus x %2 equals to 1, then this is odd length, and we have to update our dp array. So we will update it with dp of I of 1 equals to dp of It was the dp of x 0 plus 1. Okay, so dp of x 0 plus 1 and dp of I 0 will be equal to dp of x 1. Is it the case? Yes. Okay, so now our answer will be updated. Answer will be all the even length subarray. So dp of I 0. Okay, so this is our answer in this case. Else if the length was even, then the transitions were, if the length was even, dp of j of 1 equals to dp of x of 1. Okay, dp of I of 1 equals to dp of x of 1, and for the even length dp of I of 0 equals dp of x of 0 plus 1. Okay, and our answer again will be updated, dp of I of 0. Okay, so else if the index was 0, then what happened? Then dp of I of 1 will be 0 and dp of I of 0 will be 0. Okay, so I think it is complete. Now let's just print our answer. Let's see if we are getting correct answer or not. Let's just copy our test case. Oh, we are getting some very large value. Let's see where is the problem. I think so let's see if our prefix array is getting correct or not. So let's just print our prefix array. I think it is correct, so prefix array is correct, and dp of n plus 1 2. So how I am getting a so large answer? This is the problem. Okay, so oh, I think no, that's not the problem. I have made these two values 0 here. Oh, I have not updated our index array, so I have to update it here. So end of free of I equals to I. Okay, I think we are fine now. No, still we are getting wrong answer. Okay, so for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n. If this is not equals to 0, we have set it to 0. Where could be the problem, man? So we are increasing our answer here, and we are increasing our answer here. Actually, I have written a code of this problem earlier. Let me just check that code. Sasha. So here is the code. So we were getting x equals to this, and here. Come on, it is just correct, man. We have initialized this to 0. We have initialized our index array to 0. Have I initialized my answer? Yes, I have initialized. So answer equals to answer plus dp of I of 0. Answer equals this and this. End of p of j is not equals to 0. End of p of y is not equals to 0. Oh yes, the problem is here. So if the length into 0 was even, then only I have to increase my answer. So it will not come. So if I percent 2 equals to 0, then I will increase my answer. Okay, now let's compile it. So yes, this was the problem. So I am getting correct answer now, and let's just copy this code. Three and this one, it should come 0. Yes, it is 0, and now I just submit it. Oh, let's see if you are getting correct answer or not. Yes, we are getting correct answer. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you.